All right, so I've tried to make this video a couple times now and I keep messing it up somehow. Which is good news for you since I know exactly how to do this now. Otherwise I wouldn't be making a video about it, would I? Okay guys, this here, what we've got, a mess, is a potential relay circuit for a prep table. A Randell prep table. Anyway, when you get into this prep table, you're gonna find this in here. Okay, it's got two capacitors. Right. And a fucky wiring situation. Okay, the first thing you wanna do is make sure you read this. Okay? This is here for you. To help you. And don't be like me and think you can just figure it out, right? So the first thing we're gonna figure out is our compressor terminal designations. That's what these wires are going to be at. Okay, just look at it. Looks like we got yellow. Yellow goes to start. Fine, yellow goes to start. Okay, we've got a red wire. Red goes to R, which is run. So we've got run, start, and then our final wire is this line voltage or common on the compressor, not to be confused with common on the capacitor. Very good. So we figured out what's going on over here. Let's get into this mess. It's like we got some wires. Okay. What the heck is that? Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, I see what's going on. There's these two wires here. Okay, we got these coming off the relay. We've got power supply, and looks like these wires are the same as our compressor terminal wires. Right. What's this doing? This is line voltage to the relay. Good. This is neutral or line, the other side of line voltage, and we got these wires. Okay. So let's figure this out first. Let's come off the relay here. Potential relay 521. The blue wire. Blue goes to one side of my start cap. Let's go. One side of my start cap. There we go. We're getting rolling. Okay. Now, if you look closely, this is our neutral. This is our other line side. This thing comes right into here. Okay? Opposite of the blue wire on our start cap. Fair enough. Let's plug it in on the other side. There we go. It's part of the circuit. Now we have a red wire that links our start cap and run cap. Our little jumper here. Okay, so let's jump. Now, careful. Where is this wire going? Where is this part of the circuit going? This is going to run the compressor. Okay? What is run on our run capacitor? It's common. Which is making sense because this is the other side of our circuit. Neutral. Okay, common. Right. So that's accounted for. We're getting pretty close. Okay. Let's look at this yellow wire coming off two of the potential relay. This goes to one side of our run cap. Now I know this thing has a fan terminal on it too, but we're only using two terminals, okay? So the only other terminal, which is not run or common on our capacitor, is a start side. Now start on the compressor is Herm on the capacitor. Okay? Herm. And you see that yellow, these are the same thing. Start on the compressor, same place. Now this start terminal on the compressor. Starting to make sense now? It's all very good. Now we've got this one wire left over here. Okay? Now this is a red wire. So this red wire goes to run. And it's also in line with the condenser fan motor. Okay, this is a hot wire. It has to go to common. Okay? Now we can run this compressor with just these two. Hot and the other side of the circuit. Common. To get it started, to get that extra juice in there, we've got the Herm side. Okay? Now this Herm side capacitance is added to by this via the potential relay. Once we get it started, this relay is going to open the circuit so that only the run capacitor with common and line voltage will be applied to our compressor, which will keep it running. Okay? That's it. That's how this baby goes. And you're just gonna have to figure that out, boy. I'll tell you what. You just Alright? Tape it, slap it, whatever you gotta do.